Welcome to the Weather Center. We are still seeing rainy and drizzly weather along much of the east coast. We are also going to see thunder showers once again over much of the interior this afternoon. Then rain and thunder showers persist on Wednesday across much of central and eastern South Africa. The most recent satellite picture is still showing clear skies persisting over the central and western parts of the country. However, we have this area of high pressure which is pushing a lot of rain-bearing clouds into much of the east coast. We also have low cloud covering parts of eastern South Africa. So for the rest of your Tuesday, it's going to stay cloudy with rain and drizzle over parts of the Eastern Cape coastal areas across eastern KwaZulu-Natal and Mpumalanga, spilling into southeastern Limpopo. Afternoon and evening thunder showers are forecast from the eastern parts of the Northern Cape into much of eastern South Africa. It's going to be mostly fine as we go further west. We are expecting mostly sunny skies for your Wednesday across the southwestern parts of the country. However, rain and thunder showers will persist in these areas highlighted here, extending from the interior down into much of the east coast. It's going to be dry for the northernmost parts of Limpopo. We are expecting just a 40% chance of precipitation for the rest of your Tuesday, wherever you see that light shade of blue across much of the eastern interior, pushing down into the east coast. The South African Weather Service has issued a warning for high fire danger. Wherever you see that shade of red, runaway fires are possible across the central and northern parts of the Northern Cape. It's going to be pretty quiet for the mother city this afternoon. Crispy blue skies overhead, as you can see here on the Metro Vision picture. However, it's going to be pretty hot. Afternoon temperatures shooting to around 33 degrees. We are expecting light to moderate winds this afternoon across much of the interior. Moderate southeasterlies for Richards Bay and Durban. A rather fresh breeze for East London and Port Elizabeth. Fresh winds are also forecast around the Cape Peninsula. It's going to be blazing hot this afternoon around Uppington and Frendedal, both shooting to around 41 degrees. Slightly cooler as we go towards DI and Kimberley. Even cooler as we go towards Gauteng, Johannesburg peaking at 26, 29 in Pretoria, a high of 26 as well for Durban. Temperatures in the mid-20s are forecast for East London, Bishop, Port Elizabeth as well as George. It's going to be warm overnight across much of the Northern Cape, with minimum temperatures dropping into the lower 20s for Springbok, Uppington as well as Kimberley. Cooler in Gauteng, Johannesburg seeing a minimum of 15, 16 in Pretoria. Minimums in the lower 20s for Richards Bay and Durban. Slightly cooler for East London with a minimum of 18, 19 for the low temperature in the mother city. Thunder showers are forecast on Wednesday from the western interior into eastern South Africa. Drizzly weather from Bombela into the east coast as well as parts of the south coast. Then on Thursday, we are going to see showers over the northeast and light rain continues along the east coast. That's all from the Weather Center for now. Enjoy your day further.